Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube video series. In this video we're going to be looking at the U.S. General Mini Toolbox. Now this is not a new item. Many of you have already seen this before, and I've had this thing at least a month. I haven't gotten around to doing a review on this thing yet. Just other stuff has come up. So I have three different models of this. I got the Work Pro, the Cobalt, and now the U.S. General. And they all look basically the same. But the reason I bought this one is because of the color. I'll go over that in a different video, why I wanted the gray one. Now what I found wasn't right at Lowe's, they had 4 or 5 different colors. And the older ones that has been out for a while were $2 or $3 less than the newer ones. I thought that was kind of a scam. I wasn't real pleased about that. Why was the older ones, the different color ones, like the red and the black, maybe the blue, I can't remember, but they were cheaper than the newer ones that just came out. I don't know. Wasn't real thrilled about that, but be warned, if you go there, take all this out of the box here. There we go. There's the basic box right here. Look at it from all different angles. This opens up. This opens up. Got 2 drawers. There we go. Just your basic box. Has U.S. General right here on the lid. It's got 2 little plastic bumpers to keep it from slamming shut. It's got the same little 4 bumpers on the bottom. Info sheet on the bottom. Another label right here. This is like a decal. It's not painted on. This feels pretty strong. It's got the full length hinge on the back. Drawers open very easily. Now, if I remember right, this looks to be a little bit smaller than the Work Pro that I have. It's got these pieces of, they're not really rubber and not plastic, like a foam padding that goes on each one of these drawers. Comes with it, so I'll go ahead and put those in. Right there. Now just overall looks, I can tell this isn't going to do what I wanted it to do. Now this is the Work Pro. I did a review on a little while back, and look at the size difference. Huge difference in size. Now, put it on top of each other. The footprint's about the same size. And the drawer's about the same size, but there's probably a 3-inch difference in height. Now, what kind of messes up what I bought this for, I'm still going to find a use for it, but do this real quick. My mother lives with me, And we keep our medicines in this. Blood pressure monitor. And down here, prescriptions. So that has worked out really good. And I got one of these bigger bottles right here. See if I can put it in. Yeah, it fit in there. It's shut in there. The bigger drawer, but the smaller drawer, not even close. The Work Pro, the drawers are the same size. US General, different sizes. Okay, the blood pressure monitor. Will not fit in here. With a closed lid, like it does in the US General, right here. So that goes in there. This goes in there. Closes very easily. Man, that's disappointing right there. Very disappointed in that. This was going to be my mom's medicine holder, because the color scheme where this is being kept is it's in the gray and black, and a light gray and a darker gray and a black area. And this would have matched perfect, but not even close. Like this. That's about the same. We'll say that's close enough to being the same. Look on the bottom. Missing some space right here. Work Pro. Solid all the way across. I'm disappointed that I can't use it what I was hoping for, but I'll find something to use it for. I don't know. I might keep my flash drives in there. That's what I'll do. I'll keep my flash drives and a few other little computer and things in here. Put it next to my monitor. But it is a strong, heavy-duty steel, just like their toolboxes, but of course smaller. It feels like ball bearings on the drawer slides. No issues with those opening and closing at all. It feels like it's magnetic, and it kind of pulls the drawer in on the last half inch or so. There we go. You can hear that. There we go. Work Pro doesn't have that. It's just an open and shut, that's it. Yep, I'm going to keep computer accessories in there. Flash drives, maybe the battery, the camera charger in the bottom drawer. Little things like that. Probably good for that. Give that a shot. But like I said, I'm very disappointed in the height on this. Now, if I remember right, the Cobalt version is more like this size than this size. The one I have from Cobalt is white, and I keep it in my bathroom with medical accessories in it, like band-aids and cleaner and cotton swabs and, you know, cotton balls. Just a little first aid kit. Not bad. Not bad for what it is. But it is what it is. Harbor Freight, it was like $18.99. Like I said, the other ones that were older with a different color were $15.99. or $16.99. I can't remember. I bought this right around Thanksgiving 2025. So if you need a smaller case, a little toolbox, I don't see any issues with this. If you need something smaller, go for it. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. But it will have a purpose in the computer room. Just not the purpose I bought it for. Let's get some measurements on this thing. Overall length is about 10 and 5/16. I mean 5/8. 10 and 5/8. 6 inches by 6 inches tall. The drawers, we're just going to call that 8.5 by 5. Bottom drawer is 2 inches. The top drawer, which is smaller, is 1 inch. The depth of the top is under 1/2 inch. That way and this way it is about 3/8 of an inch. So, U.S. General, they don't make bad toolboxes at all. I'm not going to slam it anyway. But it is what it is, right? I'm going to keep it. Find a different use than what I bought it for. That's all I can say. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.